You're getting there. You're getting there. How amazing was that landscape? And if you like that, you're gonna absolutely love the full vlog connected to that. Myself and Mountain Mike, who is from the West Coast, did this epic hike up those mountains. Ton of footage you haven't seen. A lot of capers, japes, madness, and good times were had. So subscribe, you'll get that when it comes out. Now, if you also really like the music I used, that's from Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is a subscription-based music library. It specializes in music for online videos. You can sign up for like a personal account or a commercial account. And all the music is pre-copyright clear, which means you can use it on YouTube without any worries of violating copyright laws or anything like that. Really big library, lots of genres. They've got like collections where if you're really struggling for an idea and you have a sort of theme in mind, you can go in, you might find, oh, drone, something drone, cinematic, travel, and you can click in and you can get suggested tracks. Really, really good library. They've also now got sound effects, which is really, really nice. And yeah, I've been using them for over maybe 2-3 years now. Never had a single issue with anything I've used from the website. It's all been great. It's really, really high quality music. And another little thing you can do is you can download the music in stems. So rather than getting it as an entire track just on like one level, you can have it split: music, instruments, vocals, and then you can like mix and match them. Some people walking their dogs were giving me very strange looks, talking to myself. Yes, I really like Epidemic Sound. Go check them out. There's a link in the description below to a 30-day free trial. So if you don't like them, you can just leave. It's quite easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a look around the channel. There's lots of other drone cinematics on here, but I'm also making videos about running and jumping. You know, there is jumping involved as well. And just, yeah, have a look around. And I think you'll find something that you'll like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.